Hi, Hornets. Happy very cold Tuesday. A big kudos to you for being here because this day is going to help you really prepare for trimester two final exams this week, which is what we're talking about in today's morning meeting. The first really important thing to know for final exams is when are you taking your test? Our final exams this week start tomorrow, the 23rd, and they run through Friday. Our schedule looks very similar to trimester one, where we have 2 sessions on Wednesday and Thursday and 1 session in makeup testing on Friday. You can see here the schedule of when tests are occurring, which are largely the same as we had in trimester one. Take a second to look for the classes you have and identify in what order you're taking your final exam. Not everyone has the same testing schedule. Remember, yours is individual to you based on the classes you take. You are going to get a testing ticket on Wednesday morning that has all of the room numbers for where you'll take each test. It looks sort of like the image in the bottom right-hand corner, and it looks like the one that you got in trimester one. You'll get that tomorrow. If you don't have a final exam first session, but you do have an exam second session, you should still come to advisory. The commons and cafeteria will be open for a quiet study hall space until that second exam so that you can be on time and prepare. Students need to leave the building when their tests are done. We have a number of second session tests that are different lengths and end at different times. If you don't have a second session test, you should leave after your first exam session. This is to make sure that our building stays quiet and focused for students who are still taking tests. A couple of really important reminders. If you miss an exam, there's makeup testing on Friday, 2/25. There is no school for students on Monday, 2/28 and Tuesday, 3/1. However, if you have not completed all of your final exams by Friday, 2/25, you will need to come to school on Monday, 2/28 to complete them. In order to make sure you have 2/28 and 3/1 to yourself at home, not at school, please make sure you are here for all of your tests or you complete testing during makeup testing on Friday. And again, another reminder about masks. Masks are required to be worn properly over your mouth and nose through the end of final exams. That means this entire week, both in classes today and while testing, masks need to be worn. So what can you do to prepare to have a great finals week? Number one, be on time. If we have any sort of snow day or delayed start, we'll put it on our social media right away so that you can know. We know it's chilly today and likely to be chilly tomorrow, so we'll let you know if there are any changes. But don't count on those. Be prepared to be here tomorrow on time to test unless you hear otherwise. Get a good night's sleep. Getting 8 hours of sleep at minimum is one of the best things that you can do to make sure that you have a good testing day. Shut down and restart your computer completely every morning in advisory to make sure you have no tech issues. And then lastly, attend office hours the day before your test. There's no CP this week so that all students can attend office hours for their exams coming up. All right, Hornets, I'm super excited for you, and I know you're all going to do your best on Tri2 final exams. Good luck and prepare hard today.